Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about enhancing your customer shopping experience by adding a custom message to your packing slip template in Shopify's Dawn theme. Adding a custom message field to your product page allows customers to leave product-specific notes for their orders. This feature is particularly useful for businesses offering customization services, such as engraving on products like pens or boxes. It can also be used to include gift messages, special handling instructions, or dietary preferences for consumable goods. So here's how to do it. Before we start changing any code, always remember to back up your theme and test the change fully before publishing it. This ensures that you can easily revert to the original version if something goes wrong. To start, you'll need to open the code editor and find your product page, typically found in the file named Main Product Liquid. Add the code. We'll provide the detailed code you need in our blog. You can find the link here on the screen or in the comment area below. Next, go to your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Find the option to edit your packing slip template. Add the code here. Now let's demonstrate how this feature works in action. First, we'll preview the theme we've just edited. Then go to a product page. Here I'll add a message in the text box. Next, proceed to add this item to the cart. You'll see the message is showing together with the product. Proceed to checkout, where I'll use the testing payment details. Once the checkout is finished, let's find the order. Click Fulfill Item and print the packing slip. Now you can see the custom message is showing right here. That's it for today's tutorial. Implementing this feature is a small change that can have a significant impact on your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.